Want to make sure your GetResponse email campaigns actually succeed instead of just sending emails into the void? Stick around, because I'm breaking down exactly how to get results, what works, what doesn't, and the mistakes that kill your conversions. And at the end, I'll share an exclusive extended free trial to the best alternative for your goals, with extra perks just for our viewers. So let's get straight to it. First, your list matters more than anything. If you're blasting emails to people who don't care, expect low open rates, low clicks, and a high chance of landing in spam. Always clean your list, use double opt-ins, and make sure you're targeting engaged subscribers, not random cold leads. Next, your subject line and preview text are the gatekeepers of your open rate. If your emails aren't getting opened, nothing inside them matters. Keep subject lines short, curiosity-driven, and relevant, not spammy. Split test different styles to see what resonates. Another key thing, automation, GetResponse has a solid autoresponder system, but their visual workflow builder can feel clunky compared to competitors like ActiveCampaign. Still, setting up an automation for welcome sequences, abandoned cart reminders, or post-purchase follow-ups is non-negotiable if you want consistent results. Now, let's talk design and deliverability. GetResponse's drag-and-drop editor is decent but not the best, and if you overuse images or bloated templates, your emails might not load properly, especially on mobile. Stick to simple, clean layouts with mobile-friendly formatting, and always test before sending. Another thing people overlook? Personalization and segmentation. If you're still sending one-size-fits-all emails, you're wasting potential. GetResponse does offer segmentation tools, but they're not as advanced as some alternatives. Still, segment your list by behavior, past purchases, and interests to increase engagement. Now, a big downside, deliverability issues, While GetResponse is solid for marketing emails, transactional emails often land in promotions or spam unless you optimize settings like DKIM, SPF, and Mark. If deliverability is a top priority, there are better options. So, what's the best move? If GetResponse works for you, optimize it with the tips I just shared. But if you're looking for a tool that's easier, more advanced, or better at a specific goal, I've linked an extended free trial for an even better alternative below. You'll also get exclusive benefits only available through our link, so check that out now and make sure your email marketing actually works.